Degen Alpha whitelist video. How do you join there in whitelist? You can get in earlier time their NFT that will be listed on element like OpenSea. Okay, there is a marketplace, NFT marketplace. So it is base chain based NFT. So what you need to do, just you need to hold 0.000 on Ethereum during the event. So if I click on this verify button and click on this MetaMask, in order to being verified, my account is verified because I have this amount on my wallet. So in order to doing all sort of task, you need to click on this connect button. Okay, so click on this connect button and your MetaMask fuck up some approval. You need to, in order to get join on that airdrop, get that NFT, you need to approve the the notification that MetaMask want. We click on the sign in and that will immediately would be okay. So our again element, like I do joining by Mises browser. That is one of the fuckest browser I have ever used. uh, but sometimes it's you use good way, but now I'm sucks. Okay, because over and over again fuck up. Therefore we need to use another browser. However, so if we click on this again, it will be fuck up over and over again. MetaMask will be open, and one of the boring thing ever done by this fucking browser that I have ever fucked up. Okay, so what you need to do, just in order to join that airdrop, you need to hold on 0.000 on Ethereum, and maybe you already have. So if you have, feel free to join here. So what you need to do, just check out this video's description box in order to getting every details, what you need to do next, all sort of thing, getting link, offer joining link. I already put it on. I would put on my Telegram. Okay, it is not working. However, I'm tried already 3 times, and still now it is not working. So anyhow, I will recommend you use Kiwi browser or Yandex browser. That is pretty much straightforward to doing. Okay, so click on there again. If it is not work, I will go into, okay, I'm showing you. First I will copy this link, and after I will go another browser in order to join properly. Okay, here is Yandex, one of the best extension browser, I would say. Based on here, and it will be opened immediately because so fast Yandex is. So here we go. So it is opening. Wait a minute. Inside of here, click on this verify button. MetaMask, absolutely MetaMask. Click on there, and after a while it will immediately be open. So click on there, double, and MetaMask will be open. After you're attempting, what you need to do, just open, enter the MetaMask, and in order to being eligible on Airdrop, just approve their confirm their sign. Okay, here it has, okay, my first account. Okay, oh, sometimes I'm exhausted because I'm using mobile phone. Okay, sorry for that. I believe that very soon uh, I will improve gradually my videos performance. So here we go. Okay, so now click on this next, connect. Now what you need to do, just click on this verify button. It's fucked up all the time. I say it to you, it's existing in mobile because it's not for mobile maybe, but I'm trying to join. Let me see that can I do that or not. Let me see that is airdrop possible by mobile or not. Okay, click on this verify button. Click on this fucking again and again. Okay, already connected. Fucked up. Click on this okay, connect, and MetaMask will get notified like as we did on previews on Mises fucking browser. So what will happen in the inside of the index? uh, let us see. Okay, very great. Connect Twitter. Did you see that how efficient Yandex is? Better than fucking Mises browser. I fuck up this browser. Okay, so connect your Twitter with element. Bam, bam, done. What you need to do, just follow on. My phone charge is 5%. Within 5% the video will be in. Okay, loading, follow, back immediately. Okay, back immediately, or click on this tab option here. Whatever happened, but it's so fast, as much fast, better than Mises. Click on this verify button. Bam, go here, follow each of the list have on there. Every freaking Twitter account follow that all has on dashboard. Okay, so I will do in together because it will be better. My phone is hot already because I'm trying so fast, but however happened here, join efficiently as much as you can. I never quit. I never quit. Nobody fuck me. Nothing fuck me. Repost. Okay, I'm showing you how do you do that. So retweet. Click on there. Your Twitter will be open. What you need to do, just click on there, come back here again. Our work has done. In order to fuck up, click on this verify button, every verify button, and done. What you need to do, just wait, getting after uh, you know subscription, waiting for the winning. Okay, already done. What subscription number? 80 lakh 11,094 participants, 1,300. However happened here, doesn't matter. So this is the video.